Hugo Rodriguez runs a Madrid pizza business. But he's shut most of his outlets, and geared up the only one still open to feed doctors and nurses who are working round the clock to keep Spain's coronavirus crisis in check. Spain went into lockdown on March 14, and the Grosso Napolitano chain that he co-founded began delivering to hospitals a few days later. Since rebranded Food for Heroes, the initiative he launched with that gesture is now established in several major cities. One time, I went to Gregorio Maranon Hospital, and a single doctor came down. Rodriguez recalls of one of the first deliveries he made. He looked at me, crying. Neither of us will forget that moment. It was like we were hugging, Rodriguez recalled. It's meant a great deal to me. I feel we business people have a responsibility. Spain's medics are on the global frontline of the pandemic. The virus has killed more than 9,000 in the country, only Italy's death toll is higher, and confirmed cases have risen above 100,000. The around 40 pizzas Rodriguez now makes free of charge for medical staff every day are delivered by volunteer couriers, including José María Carrero Costano. I'm not doing much compared to healthcare staff, said the 30-year-old, who has swapped delivering parcels for taking food to hospitals, full-time. We try to raise their spirits a bit, make them feel supported. With Spain's bars and restaurants all closed to customers due to the lockdown, Food for Heroes has drawn support from brands including Aloha Poke, Papa John's, Coca-Cola, and Danone, and now also operates in Barcelona, Bilbao, Valencia and Malaga. In Madrid, participating restaurants, cafes, caterers and couriers are divided into 5 groups, with the public postal service, Carrero Costano's employer, providing vans and fuel. Deliveries are contact-free, and companies supply masks, gloves, and sanitizer to volunteers. Grosso Napolitano chef Flavio Russo moved to Spain 2 years ago from Naples. His family there worry about the situation in Madrid, which has been hit hard by the epidemic. My mother would prefer it if I came back, said Russo, who is staying put, and working 7 days a week and longer than usual hours to keep up with demand. Each one of us brings our little grain of sand, Rodriguez said. Our chefs pick the toppings of medics' pizzas as they prepare them. People have asked if they can donate homemade cakes. There's this very lovely feeling that everyone forgets who they are, and works together to get out of this as soon as possible.